Hello, and welcome to DevOps Quick Bites, your friendly guide to all things Salesforce DevOps. This week, there are many Salesforce community events happening here in London, like Architect Dreaming, London's Calling, the Salesforce Non-Profit Sprint, Agentforce World Tour, and of course TDX London. And that all highlights something fundamental, the immense value of the Salesforce community. Because it's not just about attending these events, it's about networking with your peers and the incredible opportunity to learn from others about Salesforce best practice and much, much more. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. The Salesforce community is super important because it has a huge network of people. As the platform gets bigger, it's really key that everyone shares tips, stories, and new ideas. This teamwork helps create rules that make sure things are done well, safely, and quickly. And at the end of the day, the community is a big deal in keeping everything running smoothly and keeping Salesforce accountable. Getting everyone to the same page is absolutely key. Developers, admins, and business analysts working together to make things happen. And that's where the community comes in. If you jump into Slack, Discord, Reddit, Stack Overflow, GitHub, wherever your weapon of choice is to connect, you'll find new tools and get help from people who know this stuff. And if you want to make connections and boost your career, then conferences, community events, meetups, and hackathons are key. They're perfect for diving into new topics as well, checking out the competition, and chatting with others in your field. Don't forget also to keep an eye out for office hours. You can ask experts pretty much anything. If you really want to get involved, try contributing code or blogging or even becoming a product ambassador to build up those strong relationships. And besides the great networking, the community is a goldmine for learning best practices. To stay on top of all the changes in Salesforce, you really need to keep learning and developing, and that means keeping up with platform updates, hanging out in the community, and being open to trying out new tools and new ideas. Community-driven initiatives like open source projects and collaborative tool development lead to the creation of parallel resources that we can all benefit from. And you can continuously sharpen your Salesforce skills and ensure top-notch implementations by exploring various learning opportunities. Think about all the essential Salesforce topics that you could delve into within the community. Salesforce fundamentals, so understanding the core principles and capabilities of the Salesforce platform. Then there's data management, handling that data really effectively, including importing, exporting, validating, and of course security. And those of you that have seen these episodes before know my love of automation, using tools like Flow to automate those business processes. And all the other customizations, tailoring the platform to meet those specific business needs. And if I can't emphasize it enough, security, making sure that data protection and user access controls are in place. Salesforce keeps bringing out new stuff all the time to solve all sorts of problems. But there's a big active group of people that want to help you make sure that things work well, help each other out, and keep learning to make things better for everyone. So basically, you've got to keep learning and changing with Salesforce, and the community is the best place to find out what's new, share what you know, and get better at your job. I'd love to hear about your experiences. How's the Salesforce community helped you? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. I love to hear them. Now, if you have found this helpful, don't forget to like this and subscribe so that you don't miss the next episode. But until then, happy Salesforcing, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye for now.